Gather around, everyone. It's story time. Today, we're going to tell a story of an adventurous pioneer. Who here knows what a pioneer is? A pioneer is someone with a brave heart, someone who loves adventure, who wants to go it alone. In business, we call pioneers entrepreneurs. Our pioneer wanted to set out to climb to the top of a mountain. He found the mountain that he wanted to scale. As he stood at the bottom of the mountain, it was forested. There were trees all around, and it was dark and scary and lonely. Who here likes to be lonely?
No.
As he looked around into the woods, he thought to himself, I don't know how to chop down a tree. I don't have any climbing gear. What happens if it's rocky when I get in there? Of course he didn't have a map because there was no trail on this mountain. All he had was the dream to get to the top of the mountain. He decided he was going to go, even though everything inside of him was screaming, "Don't do it! Don't do it!" But he said, I can conquer. I'm gonna do it. And he set out, chopping one tree down at a time, trying to figure out how to create a trail to get to the top of the mountain. Day by day, sweating, crying, getting so tired. He was so lonely. There was nobody there to talk to. There was nobody there to help him. And one day, our pioneer, he even fell down, and there was nobody there to wipe away his boo-boos. But he knew if he wanted to get to the top of the mountain, he had to get back up. He had to get strong. He had to figure out how he was going to do this all by himself. Then, just as he was about to go a little bit deeper into the woods, he heard a sound. The sound of laughter. He followed the sound. He went over to the right of the mountain. He saw a whole team of people. He walked up to the people very nervously, and as he looked to see what they were all looking at, there before him was a trail all the way to the top of the mountain. And at the top of the mountain, a big sign that said, "Franchise!"